Hello friends, was waiting for this day from very long time. Here we have a special lady in our gear, in for the shoot, specially coming from Pune, waking up at 4 a.m. and she is Sharmila Oswal. Ma'am, over to you.
Greetings, Om Shanti. This is Sharmila Oswal, myself international convener and presently also working in the space and nexus of water, agro and food security. I'm also on the board of EPIDA, working for the Millets, Ministry of Commerce, and Director ICFA, looking after government affairs and international relations.
That's it?
Yes.
It was very short. I think you are also known the water lady of this world, right?
Yes,
Lot
water
of things in
and millet woman of India.
Fantastic. So here especially you are for the Naukar Mantra Day, which is coming up on the 9th of April. Don't forget to register, alright? So she is here to promote to the world, to let the world know that this is a peace mission started by Jito and very big initiative for the entire globe.
Yes.
So what personal experience with Naukar Mantra Day you have done?
Basically, I personally feel I'm a very spiritual person and I'm a global citizen of the world. So it's not that particularly I believe in any particular religion or any particular prayer. But when it comes to Naukar, it doesn't have any kind of personal deity or personal one, some goddess or god, but it is covering the entire global universe, the global cosmos. It has everything in it. And that's the reason perhaps I treasure the most. And Naukar having the whole element in it, I think everyone should do it. Everyone should chant it.
She is a very big traveler and I think she stopped to travel till the 9th of April just for this Naukar Mantra Day. Ma'am, what do you think you should give to the world and what your suggestion with this powerful mantra?
Everybody is in some kind of chaotic transition. Everybody is going through lots of mental stress and anxieties and uncertainties of the world. So each one of us is looking for peace. Each one of us is looking for some kind of pause, some kind of silence. And that self-discovery will come from the Naukar. Trust me, if you chant a Naukar, you yourself will find tremendous benefits, tremendous changes in your own aura, in your own energy, and in all of your perspectives.
So you mean to say it is a soul connect. It is the purest form to reach moksha.
Yes.
Wow.
In fact, let me put this way. This prayer itself is not for any god, but it is for the liberated souls. It is for the enlightened souls. It is for the entire spiritual gurus. Now imagine any caste, creed, religion, every religion has gurus, every religion has liberated souls. So imagine this prayer is praying not that it is applicable to Hindu or Islamic or Christians or Jews, but it is for all liberated souls. Now imagine we are including every that soul who has achieved this salvation. So now, is there any prayer in this world who will continuously praying to the souls which has already gone to the moksha or salvation? So that's the purity, that's the complete salvation this prayer talks about.
So I can call it a global Maha Mantra, the Naukar Mantra. So ma'am, how do you chant, or do you really practice, or do you really chant every day in your life?
Every single day when I wake up and then when I sleep, because I truly believe that this prayer has a universe, this prayer has a cosmos, this prayer gives the gratitude, humility, compassion. So each word of it, when we recite, it takes us to that universe. It connects with that bonds. It creates that bonds to the universe and cosmos. So while sleeping, when we pray this prayer, trust me, entire night, because you are in that cosmos, you are in that somewhere universe, because your subconscious mind is working. And in the morning when you get up, your aura, your lesha is again a word which comes from the Jainism, which gives the tremendous your electromagnetic aura. So imagine a Naukar mantra which is talking about human bioelectromagnetic field.
Wow, that's too much of energy to get. Where was this mantra up till now? I don't understand. But yes, now this mantra has to become a global mantra, starting from 9th April, chanting at 801 to 936, 108 times only, which will give power to every soul, every peace, and a global peace mission. And this lady is giving and enlightening what is this Maha Mantra all about. So, ma'am, again, I think from today, everybody who's going to hear this, they should chant Naukar Mantra before sleeping 7 times and after waking up in the morning, the first thing 8 times. I think that's enough for the magic to happen in life.
To tell you very frankly, even it can be a one chanting if it comes from soul, it comes from that, inside you, even one chanting is enough. Because this is a timeless, this is eternal, nobody has written it. Trust me and believe me, this has come to the universe right from the first BCE. The Kharvela kingdom, Odisha, first BCE, second BCE, Naukar Mantra is encrypted. So imagine having all this history, timeless, eternal. It has its own holistic approach.
It's so pleasurous to know about this Naukar Mantra. I am surely going to chant this throughout my life. 7 times in the night and 8 times in the morning. That's what I'm going to practice. So you can choose that. Be a part of this Naukar Mantra chanting. Post 9th April, you can see the magic in the entire world. So ma'am, I wanted to ask you again, why 9th April?
If you see 9th April in Hindu or in Sanatan, Chaitra, it's called as Chaitra. So Chaitra month is very auspicious. So you will see Ram Navami, you will see Hanuman Jayanti, Navgraha, Nav Tattva, numerologically 9 figure connected with Prithvi as an element, as a earth. So it has all the cumulative effect, and scientifically it has tremendous aura and its significance, and that's why 9th April.
The magic and power of 9 with the Naukar Mantra. Amazing excitement growing slowly in the world. But yes, I'm sure it's going to be viral and it's not going to be missed by any human on this earth. It's our request to please register and take the magic, take the pleasure and take the power of Naukar Mantra throughout your life and make a change for the entire world and the family and the people around you. Ma'am, can you help us with some history about Naukar Mantra? Where was this Naukar Mantra up till now?
There is, you won't find any date or anything that who has invented it, because it is timeless and it is eternal. It is there right from first BCE. So if you go back to the Kharvela kingdom, Odisha, Udaygiri caves, you will find encrypted there at Udaygiri caves. 2500 years ago, we have also found in Maharashtra. So recently, few weeks ago at Delhi, Akhil Bharatiya Sahitya Sammelan, in presence of Prime Minister, Naukar Mantra was cited, giving the all evidences of that, how in Prakrit, Magadhi or Pali, the encrypted Naukar Mantra is there in the caves. So it has the history very long ago, but eternal and timeless.
Namo Riyantanan, that's how it starts with. Namo, you all know our Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi, and NM is Naukar Mantra. That's such a wonderful correlation. So why not make most out of it, right? I mean, it's just a coincidence and a blessing for everybody of this globe. And in this Naukar Mantra, what do you think that, as you rightly said, no caste, no creed is like restricted to chant this mantra? It is for global peace. How does it help into problems? Does it give a solution to problems or give you a direction, or how it is beneficial to any human on this earth?
There is a huge scientific study also done on Naukar, and I'm very delighted to share that it has all the vibrational sound waves, which is also affecting the brain waves and also reducing the stress. Parasympathetic nervous system, which is able to reduce your stress. So imagine this kind of vibrational sound waves therapy. It is acting as a therapy on our brain waves. That is number one. Psychological impact. Psychologically, it is giving such a positive impact that your stress is reduced, but at the same time, your mental well-being, your emotional stability, the balance, hormonal balance. So everything clubbed together, everybody leading for peace, this mantra is giving it tremendous. Then third is neuroscience. Through neuroscience, again, your human biomagnetic, that is what is I mentioned before also, that it is giving you the overall mental health, emotional stability. So this way, neuroscience is also covered in it. And after all that, holistic approach. Because the entire Naukar Mantra has so many benefits, covering your psychological, your emotional, sound waves, your vibrational, and the most important is quantum energy. It plays vital role bringing the lesha, bringing the energy, bringing the aura all together and making that quantum in such a beautiful way that your body gets holistically healed. And that is what is a tremendous, unlimited benefits of Navkar.
Excellent. So it means cleansing your body, cleansing your soul, getting energized, and then live a new life with full power. Don't miss this opportunity, people. Throughout the world, 9th April, 801 to 936, chanting the Navkar mantra. Thank you, ma'am. It was really pleasure to know. This conversation can go on for more hours, but I think it's good for now to really be a part of the Jito mission, which has been for the global peace for every human on this earth. And it was great enlightenment and so much of knowledge you have, and you are practicing Navkar mantra in your daily life. I'm sure it's going to be beneficial to every viewer who are seeing and who really want to be a part and experience this Navkar mantra.
Yes.
Om Namo Shivaya, Jai Jinendra, and global peace is our own focus for entire world. Thank you.
Om Shanti.